Hello everyone and welcome to this month's Xero tip. So today I'm going to be taking you through the new report layout that Xero has just recently rolled out and talk you through some of the enhancements that have been made and how you can get more out of this area of your Xero file. Okay, so for those of you that have accessed reports on a regular basis, you may have seen this already. But some of the main changes that Xero have made is that instead of just having your favorite reports under a drop-down list here, there's now a dedicated area at the top of your reports section where it will move all of the reports that you star. So for those of you who haven't seen this already, you can click on the star beside a report and that will favorite it to add it to your drop-down list here. And now, on top of that, it will now also show in this favorites area at the top of your file. The other thing that Xero have done is instead of just having report names, it's now given you the ability to view a description of that report. So for those of you perhaps that aren't familiar with reports or you're looking for a specific report that you wouldn't normally use, if you turn on the descriptions option, it'll give you some more details as to what the report is, how you can use it, and whether it would be something that would suit you or not. It will also show descriptions for the particular sections of reports, which may potentially help you narrow down which area you should be looking at. Another enhancement is for any reports that have these three dots beside them. If you click on those, it will give you the option to view a help guide that will take you through the report, what it does and how it works. You can also choose some common formats of that report. And if it's a format that you think you'd use regularly, you can star it to add it to the top of the list as well. If you are using an older version of the report, to access those reports, you need to go to the three dots option and click on the star there to make that old report a favorite. A word on that though, if you are using an older version of the reports in Xero, I would strongly encourage you to look at the new version of the reports. I do understand that at some stage those older reports will be phased out. I don't have a date on that at this stage, but the enhancements that Xero are doing, they're doing those to those new versions of the reports. So I do encourage you to look at the new ones and see if your reports could be replicated in there or even improved in that area. There is still the drop down here for accessing your reports, so that hasn't changed. If you have set up custom reports, they should all still be in there, and the same with your draft reports as well. One final note is there is now a new version of the budget variance report. So some of you may have been using the old version of the budget variance report, or perhaps you've built your own. So this version of the budget variance report is under the new format for Xero, and the default format that comes out will show you the month or the current month that you've selected up here compared to the overall budget, dollar variance, percentage variance. And then it will also give you year-to-date figures as well. So if you have been used to using the old format or you've created your own custom one, I do suggest taking a look at this because there is some things such as the colored arrows, etc., that won't be available in a customized version that you've made yourself. I hope today's video has helped you see how you can get more out of the reports area. Now at Sidekick, we really love to get feedback from our clients. So if there's any areas of Xero that you would like me to run a monthly tip video on, please send me an email on josh@sidekickcloud.co.nz. I'd love to feature your topic in our next monthly video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.